Did you know that more than half of the people in the world have no bank or card accounts? Take Mario for example. He has no bank or any credit cards, and he is forced to use costly check cashing outlets and carry cash around to pay for his daily needs. To avoid all that, he can buy an It's Like Cash prepaid card. It's Like Cash is a unique payment account where anyone can pay anyone using any phone. How easy is it? Let's watch Mario pay Charlie $8. Using any phone, Mario withdraws $8 from his account and gets a unique code. To pay Charlie, Mario simply gives the code to Charlie, and Charlie, using any phone, enters that code, and that $8 is deposited to his It's Like Cash account in real time. That's it. Paying and getting paid with It's Like Cash is really that simple. Because It's Like Cash is a bearer payment form like cash, Mario could have paid or sent the code to anyone, anywhere.